Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2084 code? This code indicates a range or performance issue with the exhaust gas temperature sensor on bank to sensor 1. If not fixed, the ECU may miscalculate exhaust heat and affect emission system efficiency. P2084 stands for Exhaust Gas Temperature Sensor Circuit Range, Performance, Bank to Sensor 1. In simple terms, the ECU is receiving abnormal temperature data from the exhaust temperature sensor on bank 2. Common symptoms include check engine light, emission warnings, reduced fuel efficiency, regeneration issues in diesel vehicles, and possible power reduction. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The exhaust gas temperature sensor bank to sensor 1 is located on the exhaust manifold or turbo outlet on the bank to side of the engine. Bank to refers to the side opposite to cylinder 1 in V-type engines. The sensor is threaded into the exhaust system before the catalytic converter. The wiring harness connects the sensor directly to the ECU through heat-resistant insulation. For quick diagnosis, scan live data and compare exhaust temperature readings between banks. Then inspect wiring and connectors for damage or corrosion. Check the sensor mounting area for excessive soot or heat damage. Also verify sensor response during engine operation. If performance remains out of range, the exhaust temperature sensor may need replacement. Finally, repair wiring issues, replace the faulty sensor if required, clear the code, and perform a complete drive cycle. Fixing P2084 will restore accurate temperature monitoring and proper emission system performance.